Hello everyone, today we're gonna be unboxing and set up my new A3 Apex Junior for my Waterbox 50.3 gallon saltwater tank. So the seal is still there, so it's a good sign that it's unopened. So once you open the box, first thing you're gonna see is the main device. Here we have a getting started instructions for new Apex app users, and on the other side is for current Apex Fusion users. It comes with 10 and 7 pH reference solution, so right away I place the calibration solution to the tank to match the temperature. It comes with mounting plate and screws, one power supply, one magnetic optical sensor, and it features an updated design that fits into tighter spaces and helps to prevent water incursion into the sensor. It also comes with one LD2 leak detection sensor that will allow your Apex controller to notify you through email, SMS, or sound the built-in audible alarm from your device if water gets in contact with the sensor. Comes with one temperature probe, comes with lab-grade double junction probes. There's also one manual inside the box. At the back of the device, there's one auxiliary power port, two Aqua ports for additional modules and accessories, one port for your temperature probe, one for your pH probe, and two FMM input ports. This device can only be connected through Wi-Fi and no Ethernet port at the back. This device is the budget option compared to A3 Apex and Apex Pro, but if you want only for monitoring, this device is perfect. Now let's go ahead and install the Apex Fusion app. To install the app, they provided a QR code from the instruction card. You can also go directly to your app store and type Apex Fusion. In my case, this is my first Apex device, so I need to create an account to access the app. After signing up, it will ask you for your water tank location. Next is to create your username and password. And of course, you need to agree to the terms. Next is the option to enable or disable the biometrics. Next is to add your aquarium to the app. First is your aquarium name, or you can also choose from the preset below. If you know the dimension for your tank, you can enter it by clicking the custom. After naming your tank, you can continue and select the model for your device. And of course, I'm gonna select Apex Junior and click continue. Next is a checklist for your device and accessories. Just tick the circle next to it. If it's all complete, then click next. Once you click the continue button, it will take you to the setup instructions video. First, let's go ahead and connect the main device to the power supply. Plug in the device, and when you see the blue light, that means you're ready to connect. Next is to connect your device to your Wi-Fi network, which is your 2.4 GHz. If you're connected to 5 GHz connection, it will not work. It only works for 2.4 GHz. Once you're connected, it will take you to the Apex Fusion welcome screen. To calibrate the pH probe, click on Take Me to the Task. Scroll down and look for pH probe calibration. Next, go ahead and connect your pH probe to the main device. After connecting, go ahead and click Next. Next is to place the pH probe in 7 solution. When ready, tap the Calibrate button. Once you're done, tap Next. Next is to place the pH probe in 10 solution. Tap Next when you're ready. If all the readings turn green with a check, the calibration is successful. When done, tap Next. For temperature probe calibration, go to Task and select Temperature Probe Calibration. Go ahead and connect your temperature probe to your Apex Junior. When ready, tap Next. In this step, you need a reliable temperature reader to match it with your Apex temperature probe. When you're ready for the reading, tap Calibrate. You can match and adjust the temperature by tapping the plus and minus button. Once you're done adjusting the temperature, just hit next and tap done. To connect your leak detector, go to the task and select LDK. Connect your leak detector to one of your FMM port at the back of your device. In my case, I'm using FMM port number 2. Once the device is connected, tap next. Select the module where you connected it. If you already connected the sensor, hit next. If you already added your email for alert, you will automatically get an email alert when it detects water. Once you're done, click send to send the configuration to your Apex Junior. To configure the optical sensor, just first plug it into port 1 or 2. Next, go to dashboard, then select module icon. Select the module where you connected it. If you connected it in port 1, make sure to select the optical from the drop-down list. I connected my leak detector in port 2, so in my drop-down, I selected water on floor. So once you're done setting port 1 and port 2, scroll up and click the orange cloud icon to upload your configuration to your Apex Junior device. To add your email for your alerts, click on the burger menu from top right corner, select your username dropdown, tap settings, then tap notifications. Tap the plus icon on the top right corner. From method dropdown, select email and add your email below it, then press OK. From method dropdown, you can also choose email or SMS. So right now, this is a very basic setup without any additional accessories included, but this device is expandable to be like Apex and Apex Pro. The only downside is that you pay more for your upgrades compared to Apex and Apex Pro. But if you wanted to take it slow like what I'm doing, you can choose Apex Junior and slowly expanding the capabilities of your controller. You can also add Trident to this device, but you need to buy the required components in addition to your Apex Junior. That's it for this video, and if you want to follow my updates, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to get notified for my new videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next one.